there, welcome to the Serendipity snippet about how to do a lazy daisy stitch on your needlepoint canvas. First thing you need to do is come up in the spot where you want to place your stitch. Then you're going to take your needle back down into that same hole. Carry it all the way through, leaving a loop on top of your canvas. Bring your needle to the front of the canvas in the place that you want to anchor the stitch, the length that you want it to be, the finished length that you want it to be. Pull that snugly, then take your needle back to the back of the canvas over that loop of thread and secure it in place. And that is how you make a lazy daisy stitch in needlepoint. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.